y'all. I got my little foundation braids thanks to Sul. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I didn't show my bald headed ass. All right.
I pull it all the way down.
I'm gonna take my damn eyebrows off. Okay, y'all, but yeah, so I'm about to do this wig installation. This hair is AF Sister, I think that's what it's called. That I'm finna show y'all how we do. Okay, as soon as Sul get out my light, you'll be able to see. Yeah, this is the wig right here. I think it came body wave, but I was mean to it. So yeah, and it came like a little nice ass box. So they gave it to me nicely. But yeah, I don't have a tripod, so we're just gonna get this shit in.
Overnight things are quiet, rather warm, but quiet. We'll start on Father's Day.
Oh, Father's Day. I almost forgot. I'm gonna get my day. I'm about to pull my edges off already.
Everybody's going to see them. They shouldn't last too long. Those that do pop up, they'll die down, and then heading into Monday, we're just going to be.
Get a little touch.
Yeah. Feelings so deep in the feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go. Ladies, can you back it up? Can you back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Ladies, can you back it up? Can you back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Hold that. Listen to the heart go. Ladies, can you back it up? Back it up. Back it up. Ladies, can you back it up? Ladies, can you back it up? 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 Ladies, can you back it up? Can you back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Hold that. Listen to the heart go. Ladies, can you back it up? 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 Ladies, can you back it up? So
some like convenience store or something wrong with it. But it's this color. I get mine a little bit darker, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because it just looks better. And then just circle.
Put that on the lace.
Look. And I see people put actual foundation. I just do powder. Because look how...
Yeah, it look natural.
Yeah, look how much better. And then you don't have to worry about the foundation seeping through to your roots. So just go over that real quick. Flip it over. And look. We also put in a wig cap.
Oh, yeah.
Against it, which is kind of white. So you should be...
So we didn't bleach the knots, y'all.
We didn't bleach the knots.
So we're going to, you know, just use the powder. We're going to put powder too. If you hear the back when it's used up, it's right here.
Police say she was taking came from the restaurant, not customers. Denton was charged with obtaining property by false pretense. She was released.
Your titty came out?
No, my hair keep falling in the camera. When your ponytail that long, you got to
Hey. I want to try some. I want to try some of this bright though. I'm scared.
You should.
I was trying to get a company to send it to me, but I'm gonna get the curly wig instead for my vacation. So I don't have to water it like it's growing out my scalp. Can't tell me shit. This is shit.
So, I'm gonna cut the lace first.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, before you glue it. Yeah.
Before I put it down, cause I see people do it when it's on their head, but I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, they supposed to customize it first.
Yeah. So, like, cause it's already thin in the front, so you really don't have to do too much. But I'm damn sure gonna pluck that part. You want to keep that part?
No, it's
cause
close.
that part look real unrealistic. So I'm gonna start with the part
It
first.
look like
I put my finger underneath as a guideline.
Yeah,
And I got the angle tweezers. So much easier. And you just pluck. And then I always go through at the end with my comb and then comb all the excess hair that I plucked out.
benefiting from the deferred action on childhood arrivals.
You see that?
Known as DACA, created
All
in
that, but
2012 by
we'll do
President
that then.
Obama. The measure.
And I thought you would've learned your lesson about liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's fine, man, I get the message. You still stutter after certain questions. You keep it.
Hey girl, let me grab your butt. 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 Hey
Live your life.
girl, let me grab your butt. Girl, let me grab your butt. Let me grab your butt. Girl, let me grab your butt. Girl, let me grab your butt. Let me grab your butt. Girl, let me grab your butt. Let me grab your butt. Let me grab your butt.
Man, I thought you would've learned your lesson about liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's fine, man, I get the message. You still stutter after certain questions. You keep in contact with certain exes. Do you though? Trust me, it's cool though. Said that you was working, but you out here chasing who knows. The true lies, chilling poolside, living two lives. I could've did what you did to me. I get
Girl, let me grab your butt. 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 Hey, girl, let me grab your butt. Hey, girl, let me grab your butt. Girl, let me grab your butt.
live your life.
Let me grab your butt. Girl, 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 let me grab your butt. Let me grab your butt. Let me grab your butt.
Tommy and Keisha gave you TLC. You wanna creep and poured out my whole heart. Man, I thought you would've learned the lesson about liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's fine, man, I get the message. You still stutter after certain questions. You keep it.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product of this lace frontal wig. You know what I'm saying? Here go the bag. And this was installed by Deja Simone on Instagram. I will tag her at name. But yeah, so
Do a swirl.
I like it. The hair's soft, straight. We curled it, and
Slow
it's still hold the curls. It's been like a couple hours now.
Yeah, it curled really easy.
It's popping. It's popping. We fuck with it. So yeah, this is my how to install a lace closure or lace frontal wig from AFSISTER. AFSISTER hair. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all wanna check it out, hit the link in the bio, and you can click and save some money. You know, put the code in. You know what I'm saying? Help your girl out. Help you out. Thank you guys for watching another video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Hold up, put your ass in the air.
I know they honey, cookie on tsunami.
I tell mama, I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up.
Ladies, booty bounce to this.
I tell mama, I tell mama,
Ass in the air. Ass in the air. Ass in the air.